let's blow this pop stand and get away. Flavors of cherry and lime. You wanna taste my sugar so damn sweet, just like a starburst. Fill up a cup of my love. I'll quench your thirst and put your eyes in fantasizing about me and you. So pull me closer like there's no.
Okay, we're gonna find out the gender. I'm so nervous. Or it's gonna be inconclusive. No, it's not gonna be. It's not gonna be. Wait, I don't have it in my email. I have it in my text. Oh wait, yeah, it's a link. Okay.
Well, don't hide it from us.
Well, no, hide it from me. I want to hear you say. Oh no. Here, move this basket of chips. Oh my gosh, nothing is much. Okay, so it's like a little video. Oh. Scroll down after watching the video. Your gender reveal video will play in 3, 2. Oh my god. I'm having a... Oh my god! We're having a girl. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh my god, yay! I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, Mama, do you think that Hope is gonna have a baby girl or a baby boy?
A baby girl.
Baby girl? Okay. Why do you think that?
I just have for years.
You just always suspected that she
Yep.
would?
Yep.
Okay. All right. All right, Daddy, do you think Hope is gonna have a baby girl or a baby boy?
Yes, I do.
You think she's having both?
You gave me a yes or an either or question.
Do you think, okay, no, I'm saying, shut up. Which one?
I don't know.
Choose, if you had to choose. Which do you think?
He was gonna wear blue.
I was gonna wear only because I don't have pink, but I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go team twins, one of each.
One of each. Okay, that would be awesome. I'm not gonna say anything. Why do you think? Why do you think that is a possibility?
Because no one else is guessing that
So you gotta go different.
today. Yeah,
You gotta hedge your bets
it's a
here.
long shot.
Okay, I see. Fair enough. Okay, I see a pink shirt. So if you say you think a boy, then I'm gonna have some mixed signals here. But what do you think that Hope's having?
I don't know, but I'm gonna say girl.
Okay. Why's that? Just
Because I wanted to wear pink. No, because it'd be cool to have a niece.
yeah, I agree.
have a nephew.
Okay. Do you think that Hope is having a boy or a girl baby?
I think it's gonna be a girl.
You think it's gonna be a girl? Why do you think it's gonna be a girl?
I don't know. I just think that'd be really good with a little girl.
Okay. Good answer. Okay, Josh, what do you think the gender of the baby is?
I think it's a boy, but I'll love him either way.
Okay, why do you think it's a boy? You have a feeling or you just
Their
want it
first
to be?
kid is just gonna be a boy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood. Fair enough.
Talk so much.
What do you think that Hope's having, a boy or a girl?
Yes.
You don't know? Hang on,
I
don't
don't-
walk away. Stay over here.
I don't care.
You don't have an opinion. You don't really.
I don't have an opinion.
You'll be happy either way.
Yeah.
You don't have a guess.
No.
If you had to.
I would guess Coco.
Okay. What do you think that Hope's having, Noah?
I think it's a boy.
Why's that?
Because I know that Hope has bought a lot of girl baby clothes, and I want her to be incorrect so that she has to get rid of them.
So you're like hoping for her to be wrong.
Yeah.
Nice. What do you think Hope's having? A boy or a girl baby?
A boy,
A boy? Okay. Why do you think that?
because I'm wearing a blue shirt.
Okay, cute. All right, Erin, do you think Hope is having a boy or a girl?
I'm feeling girl.
You're feeling girl? Why is that?
Because I think it's what the family needs to grow in a way of communicating with each other.
Whoa.
But I could be wrong.
That's the deepest answer we've gotten, and I love it. Time will tell if you're right. Okay, Pat, do you think that Hope and Carter are having a baby girl or a baby boy?
I think it's a girl.
You think it's a girl?
I do,
you
yeah.
have a reason for why you think that?
I really don't.
No?
I just got like girl vibes.
It's just what you're going with. Just
Yeah.
you're just trusting your instincts.
I saw her yesterday. I really feel like I just got girl vibes.
It's what you're smelling. Got it. Okay.
Okay. So before you guys knew, what did you suspect Hope was pregnant with, a boy or a girl?
So I think it's a boy, but I really hope it's a girl so that Sophie can have a little friend.
Martin, did you have any guesses, any thoughts? No?
Guess.
You just, you said it, baby.
The girls are
Got
fun,
it.
So we'll see.
Awesome.
Bad for 1 year.
No, I don't think it'll be too bad.
Do you have any guesses? Do you think it's a boy or a girl?
I think it's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
That's sweet. Congrats.
Thank you.
What? No, that's too much pressure. Yeah, but I can only see like up to here. So
Sometimes people should group in.
okay. I don't know. That's fine.
I mean, this way everyone can see. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take. I want to take this. Okay. Okay. 3. No. 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's a.